Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily turn off online status on your Telegram. So for doing this, let's open Telegram. So after, let's go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here privacy and security. Just open it and here you will see last seen and online. Just open this and here you can see who can see my times timestamp. So here you can see everybody, my contacts, nobody. So if you choose nobody, no one will see when you was online. And also this is the way how you can also do it. So just choose nobody and no one will see when you was online. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.